guys, welcome back to my channel. How are you guys doing today? I know it's been a little while since I uploaded my last video, but I'm back here with amazing video because Nykaa sale is running right now and I thought to do the Nykaa recommended makeup and this was the final look. So what did you think of this look? Let me know in the comments. Yes, don't forget to subscribe my channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon जिससे आपको future की side notifications मिल जाए. I know it was a little delayed, but yes, I will be coming up with many more exciting videos because I was a bit unwell and now I'm all better. Guys, so this was a very fun challenge for me. Nykaa recommends the best products in each category. I also wanted to see top 4 products कौन से आते हैं, तो मेरे top 2 में से ही almost select करे हैं and links सारे description में है तो आप वो देख सकते हो. And yes, this was the final look. आपको देखनी है कि मैंने लुक कैसे रिक्रिएट करी. देन लेट्स गो. फर्स्ट लेट्स स्टार्ट विद मॉइस्चराइजर. सो अमंग्स द टॉप 4 आई थिंक दिस वाज वन ऑफ द ऑप्शंस, सो आई ऑर्डर्ड दिस. वेरी नाइस jelly like pudding, but yeah, it seems very nice, pretty cute. And let me just apply this on my face. Guys, it smells really amazing and it's quite moisturizing. Liking this moisturizer and I highly recommend you try it. My next step of the lip balm, I got this as one of the recommendations and they also had the Nykaa macaron lip balm. I have that, but currently I can't find it, so I thought to go with this because I absolutely love this. And this is a smaller version. It's a bit pricey, but you have to invest in this product. And this is, let me just show you how it looks on your lips. Your lips instantly becomes very plump and juicy. Absolutely recommend it. You use it for your before your makeup or your night skincare. So our next step is a primer, and amongst the primers I got many recommendations. For primers I got Lakme Absolute as one of my options, and the other one was also Color Bar. So obviously I have the Color Bar one, but it's an old packaging, so obviously I thought to use this one. I tried a lot of other primers also, but this used to be one of my holy grails in the past and I thought I'll use it again today. So basically this is in the pink moussey texture. So basically it helps to fill in your pores if you have oily to combination skin, and I have combination skin, so I like hydrating primers too, but this is really good when you want to make your skin smooth and blur out your pores to give like a very nice doll like finish. And then I use a little bit on my forehead and I use it on my chin, and whatever's remaining I use it on my cheeks also. So next up I have a foundation. So amongst the foundation recommendations I got this Nykaa Skin Shield. It's a really nice foundation for if you have combination to oily skin. If you have dry skin then you can probably skip this. This is not going to make your skin dry, but this is not very hydrating. It's sort of like semi matte or demi matte finish. Amongst this there was another option which is Maybelline Fit Me, which I highly recommend for all skin types. Maybelline Fit Me is a cult classic and I have ordered the mini size of it that I had not received till now. So I thought to give this a go again because I used to use this in the past and it's been long since I had not used this. So let's take this, apply it on my face. So let me meet you after blending this. So guys, I'm seeing in the mirror, it's given me like little bit of demi matte finish and it's its coverage is medium to buildable. तो अगर आप इसकी एक और कोट लगाओगे तो ये थोड़ा ज़्यादा full coverage देगा, and I think this coverage is fine for me as of now. If you're wanting to go for a very natural look then you should go for one coat, but if you want to hide a lot of scars or blemishes then आप second coat लगा सकते हो. So now let's go for concealer. So next up for concealer, the option was Maybelline Age Rewind or K-Beauty. I don't have K-Beauty, I would like to try that, but as of now I had the Maybelline Age Rewind one, so I got this. I'm almost empty with this, but I have other shades also. This is the shade Sand. I'll be inserting all the links of all these products in the description, and you know that Nykaa is already having a very huge sale, so आप जाके directly link से purchase कर सकते हो and you will get a very good discount on it. So this one I highly recommend for everyone and इसकी coverage light से buildable है. तो अगर आपके बहुत ज़्यादा dark circles है, I would recommend that you color correct first. Or if you don't have dark circles and you have light dark circles, you know, I also have very slight ones. So then you can directly go with the concealer. So what you will do is you can just twist up like this and then just directly go under your eyes
and make a V over here. Around my chin. Over your eyelids also, it acts like as a primer for your eyeshadow, so you can put it over your eyes also. Now let me blend it and get back to you.
So guys, foundation and concealer is done, and now finally I will be moving on to the next step, which is the compact powder. So here were the options for the compact powder. I chose Faces Canada one because the Maybelline one I have fit me already, so I wanted to try Faces Canada, and ये भी बहुत reasonable सा ही है, and currently again on discount, तो इसका link description में आप देख लेना. And it says it is weightless, stay matte, compact with SPF 20, so you can head out with this in the day easily. It has sunscreen. तो इसकी packaging कुछ ऐसे matte black packaging है, very nice, and it has this black sponge, and then it comes in this pan. It comes in this very nice pan. So let's try how this face powder is. The shade is natural. वैसे काफ़ी smooth लग रहा है, but let's see how the coverage and how the pigmentation is on my face. I'm gonna use my brush in this and let's see इसमें कितना kickback आता है. जब ये ज़्यादा इसमें powder उड़ नहीं रहा है, तो let's see इसकी pigmentation कैसी है. काफ़ी like light coverage है, very lightweight, sort of like a matte look. आपकी combination oily skin है तो आपको ये बहुत अच्छा लगेगा. But I feel the coverage could have been a little more. Like if you are wanting to use a concealer and only this, I will have to check with this whether the coverage is as much. But ये to set your makeup, I think it's a really good option and affordable तो ये था ही, and obviously the packaging is very nice. According to me, इसकी coverage इतनी ज़्यादा नहीं है. If you can see, like I'm swirling my finger on it, and the coverage is like very decent. Like बहुत हल्की coverage है. So basically it's good to kind of set your makeup, but if you're looking for a coverage face powder, then I will suggest you some other options. So now let's move on to the next step, which is the blush, and then let's continue with contour, highlighter and all the jazz. So guys, for the blush I got the option as K Beauty, and uske बहुत सारे blush shades हैं, and I have some other shades also, but I'm going to be using this sweet salmon one. So this is the shade. This is the blush shade. It's a very pretty, very nice mauvey pinky blush. It's a sort of pigmented, so I'll have to use very light hand on it. जो blushes है, they have avocado and mango butter, so they're very easily blendable on your skin. So let's go for it. It's very, very pigmented, guys. So what you do is, like, you start from your apples of your cheeks and go all the way up. And I use a little bit on my nose. Especially in winters, it looks very nice. And then I'll take it again and I will extend it again in my temples. Guys, ये बहुत ज़्यादा pigmented है, but it's okay because blush, leaves your face the first when your makeup start coming off. So abhi when I'll use the setting spray, it'll set on my face. So I think this is fine. So guys, now let's move on to my favorite highlighter. And उसमें भी highlighter में भी बहुत अच्छे options आ रहे थे, all these options. But this is one of my cult favorites. So this is the Maybelline Master Chrome highlighter. This comes in two shades, the molten gold and rose gold. And I absolutely love the rose gold. You can see I've hit sort of pan on this, and ये इतना stunning highlighter है. जब भी ये खत्म हो जाता है, I always restock it. Like this, especially the shade is meant for fair to medium skin, and for the deeper skin tones or dusky skin tones, you can go for molten gold, and fair skin tones can try both molten gold or rose gold. And let me just show you the magic. इतने सारे लोग मुझसे पूछते हैं कि which highlighter should they go for. So I have a lot of options, but अगर आपको budget friendly highlighter लेना है, then I would definitely suggest you this. As you can see, It is so blinding. I hope it is reflecting on camera. I feel the best part of makeup is obviously highlighter. Matlab obviously concealer also and lipstick also, but highlighter is, I'm biased for highlighters.
Little bit on the cupid's bow and here, and remaining you can put little bit on your forehead.
You know, jaldi I forgot to tell you that yes, you know, I do my brows before. Product for brows, the e.l.f. Wow Brow Gel, and ये मेरा होली क्रेल है. I highly recommend it if you are into, you know, brow gel mascaras. अगर आप ये लेजी को हिला के, अगर आप you know like आपको पसंद नहीं है कि आप बहुत ज़्यादा पेंसिल से अच्छे से फाइन टिप्स ड्रॉ करो, तो अगर आप डायरेक्टली सिर्फ ये भी लगाओगे तो भी आपकी आईब्रोज बहुत अच्छे से you know फ्लेयर्ड अप बुशी टाइप्स लगेंगी. एंड आई रियली लाइक दिस. आई हैव बीन यूजिंग दिस सिंस मेनी मंथ्स एंड आई हाईली रिकमेंड इट. इसमें बहुत सारे शेड्स आते हैं and my shade is I guess brunette. Depending on your eyebrow color you can go for this. Let me just show you how I fill in my brows. So basically it's so easy to. So guys, we are done with the brows now. Let's move on to the next step, which is the contour powder. So this is the K Beauty contour kit, and you know this has 3 shades. So according to your skin tone, you can use you know a bronzer, and this is a contour powder, and this can be under eye powder or your face powder, but they mention it as highlighter, but it's not highlighter. It's basically a face powder only. So if you are you know medium skin tone, you can use this as a skin tone face powder. And now let's contour with this. So I'm going to be taking a angled brush like this, and I'm going to be using this last contour shade, this one. Let's just contour with this. So it's pretty pigmented, so go with a light hand. And I'm going to use it on my nose also. So I think it's a really nice contour powder because it's finely milled, and you can use a bronzing or a contour shade according to your skin tone. So let's move on to the next step now, and the next step is the eyeshadow palette. I have with me in the Nykaa Smoky at 8. I absolutely love this palette. I've used this many times, and for the affordable category, this is one of the best palettes from Nykaa. And they have many other palettes also. They are looking for pink tones, they have other eyeshadow palettes, but I love this because this has neutral tones, this has shimmery, perfect for any party where you can make a day look or a night look. And this also has a matte black, which is very nice for smoky eyes. So I really like this palette, and let's create a look with this palette. I'm going to be taking this shade right here. This is a very nice neutral shade for your crease color, to apply it in my crease. Now I'm going to be taking this bronze color, this beautiful metallic color. My fingers also, and you can also use a brush, but I love how it picks up the pigment with your fingers. So this is the shade I'm using. See, this is a very beautiful palette and very affordable also as an overall color. And then I'm going to be using this golden shade in the center of my eyelids. This will make the color pop very beautiful. So this is perfect. This is a perfect palette if you want to carry it even for your, you know, like wedding wear, because you generally need these golden shades. If you like brown smoky eyes, then you can go for these brown matte colors to take it in your end of your eyelid. But I want to go for a non-smoky eye right now, because the golden is very prominent. So I'm going to be taking this orangey color tone for my end of my eyelid. So I'm going to be taking a pencil brush like this, taking this color on this pencil brush, and I'm going to be making an outer V. I hope you can see better now, and I'm going to be using it, and I'm going to make an outer V, and I'm going to take it in my crease and blend it. Only con about this palette is that it doesn't come with a mirror, but you will have to take a mirror in your hand or keep a mirror. So basically this is going to make my eyes look like sunsetty because of the yellow and the peachish orange, and I'm going to take the same peachish orange on my lower line. I'm going to buff my crease with this fluffy brush to make it seamless, and here also. So guys, eyeshadow is finally done, and now I'm going to apply eyeliner and mascara. So guys, for the colored eyeliner or the colored eyeliner pencil, it recommended me the Nykaa's colored kajals, and these are really nice and they come in a variety of shades. So I'm going to be trying this purple one, and I have used this before. So this is the Violet Wizard. So this is a very nice beautiful purple color with specks of glitter. So let me just put it under my eyes and get back. So guys, it's a very pretty violet color. I hope you can see from my eyes. Next up we have eyeliner. So now it recommended me this Blue Heaven Intense eyeliner, and this is a easy sketch pen eyeliner. Right, pen eyeliner, you get this kind of an eyeliner. So this comes in a pen form, like a sketch pen, and it's a very cute one, and it's very affordable. It's just for 150 rupees. Let me just show you how it looks. So I'm gonna start a wing from here. It's quite fine, tip is quite sharp, quite pigmented. So guys, I think it's a nice eyeliner. It's quite pigmented. You can see it's jet black. Let me try a different eye today. So guys, I tried a little, Arabic style eye, and let me do the other eye and get back. All this eyeliner is quite nice because एक तो ये बहुत affordable है, ऊपर से it's quite precise as you can see. इसकी जो point है वो बहुत sharp है, so make sure you just do it carefully, but I think it made very nice eye wings. And मैंने Arabic style किया, so comment and tell me कैसा लग रहा है आपको ये Arabic style. I've tried it for the first time. Applying the mascara. So for mascara, I am using the Maybelline Hyper Curl. ये सारी college girls ने कभी ना कभी तो use करा होगा, and this is a mini variant, and मैंने भी ये use किया हुआ है. But obviously I like Maybelline के और भी mascaras, but this is one of their most hot selling mascaras. So I'm going to be using this. Obviously you can see the difference. से ना थोड़ी lengthening होती है, इतनी volumizing नहीं है ये, but ठीक है, it's good for beginners, so if you are a beginner you can go for this. I will leave the links in the description, you can check it out. So guys, this is how the mascara looks on me. This is good for beginners or college going girls, or somebody who's just starting out with mascara. So this is nice, but obviously I like Maybelline's other mascaras, which I will link for you in the description. So आप description से जाके click करके directly purchase कर सकते हो. Now let's move on to my favorite part, which is the lipsticks. If you put a liquid lipstick, आपके mask में smudge नहीं होती है, and obviously आप mask के बिना बाहर नहीं जा सकते, तो you want a liquid lipstick. So even if you're putting a normal lipstick, अगर आप उसके ऊपर liquid lipstick लगा लोगे, then your lipstick will become long lasting. For liquid lipsticks, I went among the Nykaa recommendations, I chose this Nykaa All Day Matte. It's a very nice liquid lipstick, and best part is it is very affordable, and I will leave the link for you in the description. And this is the shade Gran Fan. It's a very pretty pinky sort of like mauvey shade. Best part is it suits all skin tones. ये dark deeper skin tones में भी अच्छा लगता है. What the lipstick looks on me, it's a very pretty shade. ये मेरा इस range में one of the favorite shades है. It's called Gran Fan, and इसमें और भी I think 9 to 10 shades आते हैं, which are all very pretty. I have all of them, so if you want swatches of all these lipsticks. So guys, this is the finished look, and what did you think of this look? And what did you think of the products recommended by Nykaa? Which one did you actually like the most? I will leave my favorites in the comment section below. आप वहाँ जाके पढ़ सकते हो. सारे links description box में आपको मिल जाएंगे with all the discounts. So definitely check them out. Subscribe this channel for more such amazing videos, and don't forget to like and tell me कि आपको कौन सा favorite product लगा. And this look is quite affordable, so you can definitely recreate it because it's just a natural glowing makeup look. You can wear it in the day, night, whenever. Don't forget to check out all my future videos by subscribing, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.